Alright guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how did I do that. First of all, we have here the Vegas. Alright, this is Vegas Pro 13. I apologize about English. My English is not good, but I will try to make this video in English. Over here I have the video that I made. Okay, I will just put it over here. Let's go. Let's check it out what I did. Alright, first of all, I had to put the camera in my room. After, I'm gonna show with you guys how did I put it over so so tall. It's something like that. And then I just got in my bed. As you guys can see, let's check it out. What did I do? You can check over here that I just woke up and I didn't. No one was playing this time. Okay, so just for you guys know that it was just like imagining that someone was playing, and then after I got back to sleep. All right, and after in the same time I still with the video, and then I just woke up and I stand up, and then I play the part of the video, yes, and after I just go, so I just get back here and get the video and finish it. Okay, so that's not the point. The point is just like this part and this part. Okay, so if you guys don't know how to use the Vegas, it's not so hard to use, but you guys just can you can just use a little bit and understand a little bit how it works. But over here we have the part that we need. This part that I just woke up, I need, so I will just put it over here. Okay, this is gonna be the part that I need. So I just press S, the letter S here in my keyboard. And then we have two parts of the video, the part that I am the ghost, in the part that I'm sleeping. Okay, so now I will just put it upper that than this video. So I will create another sample video. I will click, I will give a right click. I will do a right click, and over here insert video track. All right, you can see that we have another video track over here. So I just put this one over here, yes, and then I will do the same with the audio. I just put below. Okay, I could create another audio track as well, but I just put it below and it create automatically. All right, sorry about my English. Okay, so I just do this. Okay, as you guys can see, I just put it in the beginning of the video, and you guys can see that this video will be our first video, and it will appear over here. Let's say like firstly, okay, like the primary video. But you guys have to put a new effect or something like that. How can I do that? Because I want it like ghost. All right, so there are two ways to do that. Okay, the first one is just doing this with the opacity. You guys can see that over here. If you guys check it out, you can see that the opacity is just over here. Look, my ghost way. Okay, but that is not what I want for now for this way, because after I will disappear, as you guys see. So I will go here in insert in that video and just compositive level. Track compositive level, and then we can see over here a blue line. Just get it down. And you guys can see over there my composed level. All right, okay, so I will put it over here like this in the middle, 73. Or you can see if I just put like 15%, the other John will disappear. So take care with that. So let's see the part that I play. Oh, you can see that I'm playing, but you guys can see as well that there is the John is not it is Ghost 2. You can see, no, it's wrong. I don't want it. I want only the other John, the John's playing, you know, yeah, like this. Okay, but I want to check over here as well. And that is the John sleeping. All right, and that is John still sleeping. Okay, he just woke up, as you guys can see. So what I need to do right now, I just need put this video when I'm sleeping. So look, when I click over here, I can just cut the beginning part, and then I just got back over here. Remember, the audio will just do the same. Okay, so it's not so important for now. So what we have here, let's just get out, just take off this and try and put a bit. All right, let's check it out. As you guys can see, John is moving, but no, I don't want this part, so I will cut as well. So I will come here and just cut this part. Get back, get back, get back, get back. Oh, this part is the part that I need, so I will just get back this. All right, so I will put it in the beginning as well and just click in playing from start. Oh, you guys can see I am moving. Yes. But you guys can see that I didn't wake up, all right? That's not what I want. So what I have to do is get this second video that I am sleeping. First of all, I want to check the opacity is 100%, okay? And I will cut this part. So let's get back to the part that I am playing. This part, exactly this moment, 14 seconds, I have to get the part that I am wake up in. So the part that I'm wake up in is gonna be over here. So I have to get this part and changing to 13 seconds. So it's exactly right now. So let's get back over here, and but now I am early. I have to put a little bit for front to front. All right, let's get back. All right, but I need to put a little bit more over here. Oh, that's better. Maybe over here. Okay, so I just do this for complete the video. Oh, you guys can see that I woke up. All right, so I will do exactly this. Click over here and put down this. So it's gonna be like you guys can see that I disappear. And over here as well in the audio, I will do the same. I will click in the audio, but I will be here in insert, in audio, envelopes, and the volume. Yeah, and we have here, this part is the part that I want that to double click again, and now I am using the screw of the mouse, and then I just put it down. Yeah, like the ghost just go away. All right, but I want before early over here and over here as well. I'm using the control right now to get up, and over here I want early and a little bit faster. What it's doing is just yes, it was good. Let's check in the beginning. From beginning. All right, take a look. I just get down. Yeah, but you can see that something is not right here. Like my ghost John. I am a little bit ghost over here. I don't know why exactly this, but I will put like this, and I will try put this a little bit upper. But you can see if I get down my uh, opacity, I get down or try turn. Let's just check it out. What's gonna happen now? All right. Oh, it's better. All right. Much better. Much better. I'll put a little bit up. Maybe it's getting better. For sure, amazing, amazing. I like it. Let's check it out again. Yeah, great. Okay. Really interesting. Look how I looked. And then after I just got back to sleep. And now what I'm gonna do over here, I will just put this over here because I don't want a long video and just doing this. Okay, this kind of stuff uh, I didn't teach how it works, but what I'm doing here exactly is just turning off the video. Just like, yeah, goodbye. Like this. Take a look how it's gonna work. So over here, the same thing, just putting over here a little bit. The video, the audio is just get down, so I don't need to do it, but it's okay. I just did. And it will finish like this. Yes, like normal video. So let's check it out. Very interesting. Shy, shame. What a shame, John. And that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's not so hard to do. You just need Vegas and doing a video. But this video you have to like imagine that you were listening to that thing in the same video, and after and you guys can see where I'm doing. How did I put the camera and almost my hoof or my ceiling? Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I see you guys next time. Have a